This is a 2010 Chrysler 300C. This four-door sedan has a 5-speed automatic transmission and a 5.7-liter V8. Its top features include power adjustable driver pedals, a sunroof, heated seats, a DVD player, a Boston Acoustic stereo system, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: big 18-inch wheels, steering wheel memory settings, cruise control, leather seats, a 4-wheel independent suspension, a passenger side vanity mirror, a security system, an anti-lock braking system, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and this vehicle has less than 27,000 miles. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.
Columbine Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 2728 Railroad Avenue in Rifle.